Hello, Adrian, and hello, everyone watching.
Hello, Karin, and hello, everyone online.
Today, we want to discuss a pretty big topic for people in the manufacturing industry, which is problems and solutions. Adrian, you have worked for a very long time in the manufacturing industry. What were some of your observations when it comes to this topic?
Well, Karin, if I have to pick one observation, that would be that the focus in many of these meetings was geared towards finding someone to be blamed for everything that was not going well, rather than focusing on a solution to the problem at hand. That led to people being very fearful about these meetings, and they went into them with the expectation that something is going to go wrong, there's going to be a beat up session. Um, and with that, their self-confidence went down, and more so, their creativity went down. So any minute spent on focusing on the problem in the sense of catastrophizing everything and talking about how bad it is and so on is a minute not spent looking for the solution.
That's such a great point. And I just want to add one thing for everyone watching. Nothing is more important than people feeling good and being mentally in a good state in order to be creative, innovative, to overcome certain obstacles. And I think this is often underestimated. How people think will lead to their actions and actually to the results that they will get. So, just something to think about.
This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.